the half-life of first order gaseous reactant X2 molecule is converted to X, so it's going to write, you have to write it like that. Okay, 1 mole of X2 is placed on a sealed vessel at pressure P. Which of the following will be correct when 87.5% of X2 has been converted? So if 87.5% of X2 has been converted, it means there's actually 12.5% of X2 left. Alright, okay, so take it is this way. If I started with 100, okay, maybe if you think about it, right? You start 100%, drop to 50%, drop to 25%, and then you drop to 12.5%. So you can see that this part here is actually 3 half-life. Okay, 3 half-life. So if it's 3 half-life, it means that the time taken will be 60 minutes. Okay, each half-life is 20 minutes. So this is definitely correct. Okay, 1.75 moles of X atoms has been formed. So let's check, is it correct? So this is ICE, yeah? Okay, so initially 1, 0. In the end, since you have 12.5% left, right, we'll put 0.125 moles left, okay? Because you started with 1. So this one will be minus 0.875. This one plus, okay, so you must multiply by 2. So it's going to be 1.75. Okay, because the ratio is 1:2, so you must multiply by 2. Okay, so in the end, 1.75 moles of X atom had been formed. That's correct. 1.75 moles of X atom has been formed. So this is definitely correct. Okay, I'll put a tick over here. Okay, the total pressure is 15 P over 8. Alright. Okay, so I'm just gonna change it to pressure. Okay, I'm going to change it to pressure. So it's actually the same thing, right? It's just they change it to pressure. So this is P, right? Sealed vessel P for 1 mole of X2, 0. So in the end, 0.125 P, alright, because 12.5% left, minus 0.875 P plus 1.75 P. So this is 1.75 P. So the total pressure, if you add them both up, I add these two up, okay, you give you 1.875 P. Alright, and 1.875 P, if you press your calculator for this, you realize that this actually equals to 15 P over 8. Alright, so this statement is also correct. So it has to be 1, 2, and 3.